Here I am going to go over the Craftsman brushless electric lawnmower. This is the 2X V20. In the box you get the mower, the safety key with bolts and nuts to attach the handle, a side discharge attachment and bag for clippings, along with 2 batteries complete with 2 chargers. Setting up the mower is very simple. All you have to do is attach the handle with the included bolts and wing nuts. Once in place, you can secure it with the lock levers. To raise the handle, simply go to the rear wheels and unlock the handle to move it into the working position. You can then secure the handle in place again by locking the levers by the rear wheels again. Adjusting the cut height of the mower is done by using the levers on the front and rear wheels. It offers 5 different height options ranging between 1.5 to 3.5 inches. You can adjust the height in half-inch increments. On the side of the mower, you can lift the cover to connect the side discharge attachment. You can also lift the cover on the rear of the mower to attach the bag if you would like to collect your clippings. This mower features a 20-inch blade for cutting, and the mower is powered by 2 5-amp batteries that have a runtime of about 50 minutes when completely charged. Now when charging, the lights will flash green, and when completely charged, the lights will hold a steady green light. These batteries are also compatible with all Craftsman V20 outdoor equipment and power tools. Attach the batteries by sliding them into place on the top of the mower. It does need both batteries to run. It will not run on just one battery. One of the benefits of the mower is how easy it is to store and move. I wanted to show you here and highlight that I was able to pick it up and carry it down the stairs on my deck. Now, with the batteries installed, the mower weighs a total of about 35 pounds, so it's great and easy to move around. Again, here I will show you how to set it up after storage. So for the first time or after it's been in storage, you simply unlock the handle, move it to the working position, and then relock the handle in place. The mower is very easy to start. All you will do is take the safety key, insert it into the starter. Once that is in place, you will press and hold the start button and then simply pull down the bail handle. After that, you are off to the races. Now, this was my first time using an electric mower, and I really didn't have any idea how it would perform. I was very impressed with its cutting ability, and I think it did a great job. The growth in my backyard here, as you can see, was anywhere from about 6 to 12 inches of growth in some places, and the mower did a really good job. It performed just as good as other gas-powered mowers that I have used with similar builds and also blade size of about 20 inches. After I was done, I put the mower in storage position, cleaned the inside with a garden hose. Now I was very careful not to get any of the water on any of the electrical components. After that, I simply picked it up, moved it to my garage, and stored it upright. Overall, I am very impressed with the Craftsman electric lawnmower.